everyone, welcome back to another video with Mahnos. Today I'm gonna show you one beautiful mineral, mica. Look at this mica is wonderful. How much is thin, shiny. I separated it from quartz rock as one of our recent projects. Mica usually occur with quartz, but when you separate them, mica stand out with those bright layers. I don't know, you can see layers here. So I'm gonna show you some of the other part of this project. Look at this, it looks like a glass, very thin, and mica can separate easily. I'm just gonna try. Oh, I don't want to break it. Oh, I found it. Just isn't amazing? So next time I'm gonna show you another wonderful mineral. See you in next video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.